little friends and parents, today we are going to see about Sanchi Stupa. Sanchi Stupa is the oldest monument in India. This product is from Imagimake. Imagimake's product make your kids to learn history in an easier way. Check the link in the description to get to know about their products and their offers. If you haven't watched our videos on monuments of India, check the link in the description. Now, let's get into the video. Baby, where is Sanchi Stupa located?
In Sanchi, Madhya Pradesh.
Wonderful. Can you tell me in which year it was constructed?
300 BC.
Can you tell me who commissioned Sanchi Stupa?
Emperor Ashoka.
Baby, can you tell me what does Sanchi Stupa depicts?
Lord Buddha and this life.
Wonderful! We have done with Sanchi Stupa. Happy learning! Stay tuned until the next video.
Like, share and subscribe to Saregama Kids Fun.